So today I'm going to be talking about a token where I think we could potentially see something like a 750% gain on this particular token. That's indeed 7.5 times our initial investment. So if you were to put in $100, that would translate into a potential profit of $750. And, if you were to invest $1,000, that would in turn give you a very nice return of $7,500. Now, obviously, as you can see with our token scanner, it's not always feasible or even advisable to jump on board with tokens that are already performing at their absolute peak, like the token known as X, for instance, right at this very moment. This X token is currently doing something absolutely remarkable. It's achieved an impressive 86% increase just today. And believe me, if you were to buy into X live right as it's spiking, you'd essentially be buying at the absolute top. And then you'd be looking at a significant drop right in your face. So you see, while it's certainly possible to buy tokens that are actively on the rise, what is equally, if not more important, is to diligently check out and analyze those tokens that are actually declining. Because for myself, what I actually do is I buy the pullbacks. Okay, I actively seek out and purchase what is currently low. And today, I'm going to go into a detailed explanation of precisely why